Welcome to Polonium Technologies. In this video, we'll break down a real-world problem using the LTC3108 Energy Harvesting IC and a thermoelectric generator. You'll learn why you're getting 4.9 volts instead of 5 volts and how to fix or improve your design. Problem explanation. Here's the situation. A thermoelectric generator is producing about 0.33 volts. This low voltage is boosted using the LTC3108. The expected output is 5 volts, but the actual output is around 4.9 volts. So the question is, why not exactly 5 volts? Key insight. The first important point is this. The LTC3108 does not provide a perfectly adjustable output voltage. Its outputs are fixed and regulated within a tolerance range. So 4.9 volts is actually within the normal specification of a 5-volt output. Why 4.9 volts happens? There are several reasons why you're seeing 4.9 volts instead of exactly 5 volts. Component tolerances inside the IC, transformer efficiency and losses, very low input voltage from the TEG, load conditions affecting regulation. All of these factors slightly reduce the output voltage. Important limitation. The LTC3108 is designed for ultra-low power energy harvesting. It prioritizes efficiency and startup at very low voltages, not precise voltage accuracy. So expecting a perfect 5.00 volt output isn't realistic with this chip.
Practical solutions. If you absolutely need a stable 5 volts, here are your options. Option 1. Use a secondary regulator. Add a boost or buck boost converter after the LTC3108 to regulate exactly 5 volts. Option 2. Use a different IC. Choose a converter with adjustable output, like newer energy harvesting ICs or precision regulators. Option 3. Accept 4.9 volts. In many applications, 4.9 volts is perfectly fine. Most electronics designed for 5 volts can operate safely within this range. Design improvement tips. To improve your circuit performance, use a high-quality transformer with proper turns ratio. Minimize losses in wiring and connections. Ensure your TEG provides stable input power. Reduce load current if possible. These steps can slightly improve output voltage and efficiency. Common beginner mistake. One common mistake is expecting lab-perfect values in real circuits. In practical electronics, tolerances always exist. Understanding these limits is key to becoming a better engineer. So, the final answer is simple. Your circuit is most likely working correctly. 4.9 volts is within specification, not an error. If this helped you understand energy harvesting better, like, subscribe, and share. Comment your project or problem below. I might cover it in the next video. Thanks for watching Polonium Technologies.